Welcome to the arena. We have the guy from Star Wars and Ant-Man versus an Angry Bird. So let's get started. I will defeat you in every single way. I am a fry, and I will defeat you. With my gun, I will shoot you. Pooh, pooh, pooh. Oh crap, my ammo's out. Get away. Now my hand is alive. Now, who's next to defeat? No, Fryman! We can't give up now. The guy from Star Wars. We can be prepared. My name's actually Biston. What do we do now? Whoa, I've got an AK-77, so I can shoot this bird. You can't shoot me. I'm the best bird alive. Well, here it goes. Pew, 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 pew. You haven't defeated me, but I will defeat you. No, Ant-Man. I know I look like a Demogorgon, but I will defeat you. There's no chance a furry can beat me. Oh, I feel much better, but there's one thing I need. I'll be back. No, I will get revenge on you. And pew, pew, pew. Oh yeah, I remembered. I don't have any ammo. I'm cooked. Nope. God, you listening to me? I just want to say, God, you hear? Okay, the guy from Star Wars, he's here. He's big. What is that? Is that Dream? I'm Dream, so you can't leave. We're gonna need help with this guy now. Okay. Oh. Oh no! Is that Dream with a diamond chest plate? Oh, gotta go fast. You're not escaping me that quickly. I don't even need this iron armor. I can defeat you with my own hands. What the hell? I always come back.
Hey mate, guess what?
Now it's time to step on you. No, my weakness. No. Whew. Now remember, folks, Never back down, never what? And remember to like and subscribe if you liked this show or something. Oh well. I always come back. Oh, wait, wait, I should come back.